Okay, so I was at a garage sale this past weekend and I bought these Craftsman swivel sockets here. Now they all seem pretty decent and stiff. There was one, okay, this one here is a flapper, I guess you would call it. So what I'm going to attempt to do with this thing is see if we can't tighten this up. Let me see here. Put this, all I really got is this piece of paper, I guess, but we'll try putting that in there and to keep it from getting all banged up from the jaws on here. Let's see, and I gotta get myself a little hammer here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pound this split pin out of here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here. Let's see what's... You know, some people talk about putting like black tape around them or Loctite or something like that. I just don't, you know, if I got something I want it to last, I guess it's going to hold up. So what this appears here is it's got this little washer in here. So then what I got is I bought these here washers. It basically looks like it's just a little lock washer. Yeah, that's not a lock washer, okay. Okay. So let's see, we're gonna put this in here. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna put this where this expands upward here. So when I tap this in there, it'll hopefully flatten it down. There we go. See, and now at least it's back to a stiffness of it that you can use it where you put it in wherever. And so that's my idea, I guess, of what I do to fix these. And the rest of these, look, they're all decent. So anyway, I hope that helps you to fix yours if you have any of them flyers around that fly all over the place.